Hamburgers. Let's make some burgers. Burger. Let's get some goat cheese. Fuck. Cheese. I need to cut the cheese. There's no bottom bun. Yeah. Bon appetit. Right there. That's a fancy burger.
How's it going, everybody? I'm here to bring to you the fancy burger. Now, if you watch my cooking simulator video, you're gonna know I made a wonderful fancy burger. So that's exactly what I'm gonna make. So I got some hamburger out for you right here. Oh, it's just gross. Look at that.
Oh my god, that looks gross. Even smells gross. How old is that thing?
Oh shit. I don't know. Pretty old. Well, let's take it. Bam. Right there. Skillet.
No oil?
Hang on. We'll get to the oil in a second. Now, that's a little wet. So while that's heating up, we gotta get our utensils ready. Now, here is where I keep the utensils. Now, this is going to heat up, so it's going to take some time. And while that takes time, we gotta get our ingredients ready. So let's just. Oh, that'd be fun here. Alright, seasoning.
Oh, Jesus.
Paprika. That'll be good. And let's get some garlic. What goes good on burgers?
You could do some onion powder.
You're supposed to be a silent cannon woman. Onion powder.
Oh my god.
Hey, did you see that?
One lucky shot. Good for you.
Silence, I said. Okay. Remember, you look through the camera, not direct at me. The camera, your eyes. You got me?
Okay.
You got me?
Okay.
Well, if I go here, now I go here. Okay.
This isn't fucking gym class. Leave me alone.
Now, there's candy cigarette.
Got it.
We're French now. This is how French people eat and cook and shit.
That's not how that works.
Yeah.
No.
They
No.
always smoke it. Oh, look. It's starting to go. So. I always wanted to try this. Check this out.
Oh no. Jesus fucking Christ.
That's salvageable.
My poor kitchen.
Oh, look at that. Boom. Okay. Now we can shape this back into a burger.
Just flopping everywhere. That's so gross.
Hiya. Hiya. Hiya.
Wow, you're so thrifty.
Now come get a shot of this. Yeah, don't be shy. Look at my fancy burger
Oh
so far.
my god.
Okay, we can shape this actually.
Can you?
So, let's see here. Yeah. Alright, now back up. We're gonna season this bitch. Let's get some paprika. And do you know how to season a burger? Do you know how to tell when seasoning's good?
Yes.
How?
Just make sure that it's a nice even coating over the meat.
Wrong.
You bitch.
You gotta taste the seasoning out first. So come here. Just out. Get a little douse of paprika.
I don't trust what you're doing. Oh,
Okay.
Jesus.
Okay, you see that? You see this nice little line you get going?
Yes, I see the little line.
Now you gotta smell if it's right.
Oh no. You,
This smells good.
you bastard. You wouldn't.
Well, you gotta smell it. See, you can't get a good sniff of that, so.
Oh.
Oh!
You are fucking disgusting. That's right. You die on that floor.
Good. No, that's good.
Oh my god.
You gotta get the seasoning on there.
Through your nose though? Oh my god. There was a pandemic, sir. Don't cough on the food. Ew.
Alright. You gotta get a good fancy burger. Boom. Get a little spicy up there. Ugh. Oh, that burns.
Good.
Now, I'll pick that up later. Sorry, I gotta narrate better. So, let's see. Now, stir it up.
Oh my god.
Get in there. Boom, back on the right. That's with the paprika. Now we gotta do garlic.
Do not put that up your nose. I just bought that. It's good.
You may have just bought it, but we don't know how long that's been sitting on the shelf.
Dude, you
Now,
don't
go
want to
up
put you don't want to put that up your nose.
Oh,
You think the paprika was bad? This is gonna be 10 times worse. Ew. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Oh, Jesus Christ.
all right, now let's get some onion powder in there. Okay, that wasn't bad. All right, that's garlic. That's not. Oh, there's the burn. There's the burn. That's the burn. Now we're cooking.
Be proud of yourself.
Now, hey, you mentioned something about oils. Every chef knows they can't always rely on it.
Oh my god.
Here, there's some garlic. Oh, fuck. Yeah, garlic. Boom. Okay, now get over here. Let's get some onion.
Oh, Jesus.
Some onion.
I hope you understand I don't endorse any of this. You are a fucking junkie.
Oh, there we go. Oh, that's spicy.
I hate you so much right now, dude.
Yeah, you're trash. There we go.
Like fucking countertop.
We don't want to
Oh
waste
my
anything.
God.
Every you gotta,
The shell isn't edible though.
it will break down. It will break down.
That's not how
Look at
food
that.
physics works.
Yeah.
I don't see any breakage.
That's good.
Where the hell are you going?
I got it.
Are you fucking kidding me right now?
It's okay. It's on sizzle.
Oh my god. Please wash your hands.
Okay. You gotta wipe it clean.
No, that's not what washing
There
your
we go.
hands is.
That's good.
No, that's
Camera woman doesn't speak. Oh, look at this. That's basically a cheeseburger.
that's not how cheeseburgers work.
That's basically a cheeseburger.
You don't like cheese, so you don't have the right to dictate that.
Oh.
Try some oregano.
Oregano. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm trying to do. Alright, come here. You want to try it this time?
No, I am good.
You sure?
I am absolutely positive.
Alright, don't be master chef.
I respect myself too much.
You're not going to get anywhere like that. Okay. That's fucking leaves and shit. Oh, get up there.
Oh my god.
That's good. Okay, now check this out.
Oh my god. I hate everything about this. That's a hot dog bun, though.
A bun is a bun.
Well, I guess
Honey bun.
that works since your burger's deformed.
Oh, why am I so shaky?
Because you know deep down what you're doing is wrong, and that's your conscience trying to tell you to stop.
Yeah. A little of this nice fancy burger.
Oh my god.
Okay, now let's get a plate.
Really? 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 From the dishwasher? Really? Those dishes haven't even been washed yet. Really?
It's
you
okay. Everything gets dirty eventually. Now this is a fancy burger. Now come over here. Boom! Bon appetit! Right there. That's a fancy burger. Back up, back up. You can see me, right?
Yes, I can see you.
Now this is our fancy burger. Now we get to taste test this.
Oh,
I'm
Jesus.
excited.
Oh my fucking god. How is it?
Well, the texture's a little different.
Only a little.
I don't think I cooked it long enough.
Is that what you think? Oh, you are disgusting. I dare you to swallow that. You did not.
I have another bite.
No!
I am a master chef. I am a master chef. Let's go. We don't need all this fire. Just some. Again, we don't need all of it. We just need some. Oh, my fire extinguisher blew up. That's okay. We'll wait for the sprinklers to kick in. See? Right on cue. A good chef is always in the know of his sprinklers. There we go. I said, ha! Bon appetit! There we go. I made 3-course meals. I made a burger. I made steak and chips, and I made whatever the hell that was.